Welcome to this tutorial on how to hide indicator names in TradingView. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to customize your chart and create a clean visual workspace. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this feature can help you maintain a more organized and professional-looking chart. To start, open your TradingView chart and apply the indicator you want to use. Once you have the indicator on your chart, look for the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on this icon to open the settings menu for the selected indicator. Inside the settings menu, you will find various options that allow you to customize how the indicator appears on your chart. Next, look for the option that says Show Name or something similar. This option is typically a checkbox that you can toggle on or off. By unchecking this box, you will hide the indicator name from your chart. After making this change, be sure to click on the OK button to apply your settings. You will now see that the name of the indicator is no longer visible, giving your chart a cleaner look. Finally, feel free to repeat these steps for any other indicators you have on your chart. Hiding the indicator names can help reduce clutter and distractions, allowing you to focus better on your trading analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more TradingView tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.